This is how remote workers can be tracked. Hi, I'm Angel from Wolfeye.de, and this video I would like to talk about and give you tips. So you're a business owner, you have workers, employees that are working from home and or that are working outside the company building, and you need to monitor and track what they do during the working hours. Do they use the computer for business purposes, or do they use the computer for private issues? Do they Are they using and are they um, uh, uh, actually working on, or are they working for someone else on the computer? So there might be situations in which will need to monitor your employee's computer. And in this video, I show you how you can monitor the remote workers in your companies. And to not let this video be too long, I will split it up into, I don't know, 5 to 6 minutes video. So let's um, um, let's start, I would say. So I have actually written a whole article about this on our website wolfeye.de, and I will post the link to the article below in the video description. And um, in this article, I describe a lot of possibilities that you have to monitor your employees. And for all those, of course, you will need a software installed on the employee's computer that I will demonstrate it to you later in the video, maybe this video, maybe next video, we will see. But one important thing to mention is that if you want to monitor the computer of your employees, there are some questions that you will have to answer yourself or to solve yourself. The first thing is that you have several possibility or several things that you can monitor. You can monitor the screen of your employees so that you anytime can take a look at what they're doing in life, and what basically will be able to take a look at the screen of the employees. You can make screenshots of the screen and save them and check what has been done later. You can also maybe track their emails, yeah? Or you can use a keystroke logging software to monitor the keystrokes typed, yeah? Or you might need to track the time of the employees, that they are actually the time that they are working, that they're using the computer. Um, and in this specific video here, I will talk about one of these features. If you want to know more, just go to the article and read it. But the most important feature that you as a business owner will need and uh, uh, will need to monitor is to see the live screen of your employees and to make screenshots on a regular basis so that you can come back. Basically, the picture that you see here is basically what describes it. The, the, the business owner has the possibility to anytime see the live computer screen of the employees. Yeah? And the best software that you can use to accomplish that is the software Wolfeye Remote Screen. Wolfeye Remote Screen is a software. You can download it for free within a trial period from our website at wolfeye.de. You see here in the URL wolfeye.de. And basically, you install that software on the computer of your employees, on each of the computer that you want to monitor. You run it, install it, and the moment you install it, that software will allow you to see the computer live screen as if you were sitting in front of it but yourself, but in stealth mode. Yeah. And that's basically the most efficient and the best software that you can use if you need to track your remote workers, because that will give you basically the most insight how they use their time, how productive what worker is. That's basically the best software. The software actually allows you to see the live stream whenever you want, and I will demonstrate it in the next video. And also it allows you to make screenshots, save them, and you can come back later in the day or the next day and check what has been done by which worker. This is how it works. It's very, very, very good feature. One last note, this to the possible, please, before you even think about using this kind of software, um, you must take legal advice if you in your situation and in your country are allowed to do it, because depending on the country that you're operating, depending on how you set everything up, if they give you the consent that you have the technical possibilities to see the screen, for example, or if you in some circumstance you might have the right to do it, please check with your lawyer if, under what circumstances and in your country, you're allowed to install this kind of software. But this video is for let's say for anybody, so please take legal advice. We do not give legal advice, so this is something that you might have to do beforehand, before even installing and running the software. Please do that. So that's it for now. You now know how to track your remote workers, and the answer is install Wolfeye Remote Screen that you can download on wolfeye.de, and you will see it will run in the background in stealth mode. The workers will see nothing of any surveillance, and you will see the live screen of your workers computer screen remotely from a remote computer or from your smartphone, as if you were sitting in front of it. How to do it, I will demonstrate it to you in the